Looking to upgrade your toolkit? Whether you're a professional handyman or a DIY enthusiast, these top 10 tools available on Amazon are absolute must-haves. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Mr. Penn 8-ounce Hammer. The Mr. Penn 8-ounce hammer is a reliable and versatile tool crafted from high-density carbon steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to rust. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for a variety of tasks. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, DIY repairs at home, or professional tasks in the shop, the hammer's compact size and convenient portability allow for easy handling and storage, making it a practical addition to any toolbox. The ergonomic, non-slip soft handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. This thoughtful design feature enhances control and precision, making it suitable for users of all experience levels. The hammer also includes a magnetic nail starter, simplifying the process of driving nails with one hand, a particularly helpful feature for quick and efficient tasks. Additionally, the hammer claw is designed to remove nails easily, adding versatility to its functionality. This tool combines durability, ease of use, and convenience, making it a dependable choice for both beginners and seasoned craftsmen. Whether you need a reliable tool for detailed woodworking or general household repairs, the Mr. Penn 8-ounce hammer delivers impressive performance in a compact package, catering to a wide range of project needs. Number 2. The Mulwark 26-piece magnetic screwdriver set kit is a comprehensive and durable toolset for various repair and assembly needs. Crafted with upgraded CRV 6150 steel, the screwdrivers feature hard chrome plating on the driver and black oxide coating on the tips, ensuring exceptional rust resistance and the ability to withstand heavy use. This robust construction guarantees long-lasting performance compared to many other options on the market. This all-in-one set includes 11 standard screwdrivers, for precision small-size screwdrivers, 2 stubby screwdrivers, for hook and pick tools, and 3 offset screwdrivers, covering virtually any scenario you might encounter. The industrial standard magnetic tips ensure precise size fitting, while the high-quality connection between the blade and handle adds to their reliability. The ergonomically designed cushion grip TPR rubber handles provide a non-slip, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Unlike traditional ABS handles, these are designed for maximum control and ease. The set has an organizer pouch that supports wall mounting, making storage convenient and efficient. Whether for professional mechanics or DIY enthusiasts, this screwdriver set is a versatile and dependable choice for various tasks. Number 3. The Aries 53mm Stubby Adjustable Wrench is a compact yet highly functional tool designed to tackle challenging tasks in tight spaces. With a super low-profile design measuring just 0.75 inches at its thickest point, this wrench ensures easy access to confined areas. Its ultra-wide mouth can open up to 53 millimeters, allowing you to handle larger nuts and bolts in hard-to-reach spots effortlessly. Engineered with practicality in mind, the wrench features a mouth that is 30% deeper than standard wrenches, offering a secure grip on various fasteners. The adjustment bolt stays within the wrench body, preserving its slim profile even when fully opened. Laser-etched measurement markings make adjustments quick and precise, adding to its convenience. The non-slip grip enhances control and protects your knuckles, making it a comfortable tool to use for extended periods. This versatile wrench is perfect for home improvement projects, automotive repairs, plumbing, air conditioning maintenance, and any demanding job requiring a low-profile tool. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make the Aries 53mm Stubby Adjustable Wrench an essential addition to any professional or DIY toolbox. Number 4. The Workpro Folding Utility Knife Set is a versatile and practical tool designed for efficiency and safety. This set includes 3 folding utility knives in vibrant red, green, and blue, making it easy to differentiate between tools during various tasks. Each knife features a quick-change blade mechanism that allows for seamless blade installation and removal, ensuring safety and preventing accidental injuries during use. The knives are equipped with a lightweight aluminum grip handle for comfortable handling, while a convenient belt clip provides easy portability. The backlock mechanism adds an extra layer of security, keeping the blade securely in place during operation. These utility knives are ideal for a wide range of cutting tasks, including slicing boxes, ropes, carpets, plastics, leather, and wallpaper. Compatible with all standard utility blades, the set also includes 10 extra blades in a handy dispenser, ensuring you're always prepared for your next project. The Workpro folding utility knife set combines durability, functionality, and portability, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. The 3-in-1 digital tape measure combines precision, versatility, and smart technology, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by patented AccuMeasure technology, it delivers unmatched accuracy within plus or minus 1/32 inch, ensuring precise results for high-quality project outcomes. This innovative tool features dual functionality, seamlessly switching between traditional tape and advanced laser measuring modes. The laser measurement extends up to 330 feet, allowing you to handle both close and distant measurements without interrupting your workflow. Beyond simple measurements, it also performs automatic calculations for area, volume, indirect horizontal distance, and height, eliminating the need for manual computations and boosting efficiency on complex tasks. Users can easily toggle between imperial and metric units for added convenience. With features like incremental zeroing and a rear reference for internal measurements, the DTX-10 simplifies tasks that require pinpoint accuracy. The green laser line offers clear visual alignment, while the color display ensures effortless readability. Furthermore, the SmartLife app connects to the device for real-time data synchronization, organization, and sharing, streamlining your project management. Whether you're a professional contractor or a home improvement enthusiast, this digital tape measure is a game changer, delivering accuracy, functionality, and smart convenience in one compact tool. Number 6. The CommoWare 20-volt cordless drill is a powerful and versatile tool designed to tackle a variety of household and professional tasks. Its 20-volt motor delivers impressive torque, and the 2 variable speed settings, 0 to 350 RPM for screw driving and 0 to 1,300 RPM for drilling, provide flexibility for different applications and materials. Equipped with a 25+1 position clutch, this drill offers precise control, preventing screws from being overdriven or damaged. With a maximum torque of 266 pounds, it handles a wide range of tasks effortlessly, from assembling furniture to creating pilot holes in tough materials. The 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance and features a capacity indicator for monitoring power levels. Paired with a fast 1-hour charger, it minimizes downtime, keeping the drill ready to go. The 3/8-inch keyless metal chuck allows for quick bit changes by hand, while the forward and reverse switch adds convenience for screwing or bit replacement. An integrated LED work light enhances visibility in low light or enclosed spaces, making it perfect for hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're working on home repairs or DIY projects, the CommoWare 20-volt cordless drill combines power, precision, and practicality in one reliable tool. Number 7. The Duratech 4-piece pliers set with rolling pouch is a versatile and durable tool set designed for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This set includes pliers perfect for gripping small parts, bending, shaping, twisting wire, crimping sheet metal, and handling fasteners, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Each plier features a hardened cutting edge for effortless cutting and precision work. Crafted from professional-grade CRNI steel and heat-treated for enhanced strength, these pliers offer excellent durability and wear resistance. The chrome-plated finish adds to their toughness, ensuring high hardness and long-lasting performance, even under demanding conditions. The ergonomic design includes TPR material handles that provide a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The stylish and functional design ensures ease of operation for various tasks. For convenience, The set comes with a premium roll-up pouch that keeps the pliers organized and secure. The tailored cover prevents tools from slipping out, and the compact design allows for easy storage in your car trunk or mechanic's gear. The Duratec pliers set combines functionality, strength, and portability, making it a reliable choice for both professional mechanics and home users. Number 8. The WGGE WG015 Professional 8-inch Wire Stripper is a versatile tool designed for precise and efficient wire handling. It is capable of cutting, stripping, and looping 10 to 22 AWG solid copper or aluminum wires with high precision, thanks to its high-carbon alloy steel construction and accurate stripping mechanism. Equipped with a strong-gripping serrated nose, this tool makes bending, shaping, and pulling wires effortless, adding to its utility for electrical and DIY projects. The ergonomic curved handle is crafted with a non-slip rubber grip, ensuring a firm hold while minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. As an all-in-one tool, it can crimp both insulated and non-insulated terminals, making it a practical choice for various wire and cable tasks. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, the WGGE WG015 delivers reliability, efficiency, and comfort in one compact design. Number 9. The Aries 3D Professional Hacksaw is a versatile and durable tool designed to handle tough cutting tasks with ease. It features a 12-inch high-carbon steel blade secured by a heavy-duty tensioning nut, ensuring consistent tension for safe and precise cuts. The ergonomic handle and arc-shaped frame provide maximum comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its innovative multifunction design allows the frame to be adjusted to high, low, left, or right-facing positions, offering increased leverage and access in tight spaces. Additionally, the blade can be set at angles of 90, 180, or 270 degrees, providing flexibility for various cutting needs and ensuring straight cuts on challenging materials. Ideal for cutting metal, PVC, or wood, the Aries hacksaw solves common frustrations such as blade snapping, poor control, and tension issues. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool delivers reliable performance and precision, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Number 10. The Knipex Cobalt Compact Bolt Cutter is a precision-engineered tool renowned for its exceptional performance and reliability. Favored by tradespeople worldwide, it combines professional-grade functionality with a durable design to handle tough cutting tasks effortlessly. Designed for versatility, this compact bolt cutter is perfect for use in the shop, at home, or in various service fields. Its ergonomic construction ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use, reducing hand strain and improving efficiency. Built to meet the highest quality standards, each tool undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability and functionality in real-world conditions. Whether you're cutting through tough materials or performing intricate tasks, the Knipex Cobalt Compact Bolt Cutter delivers outstanding performance you can rely on, making it an essential addition to any professional or DIY toolkit.